Engine warning lights. There are 3 different engine warning lights that point towards a problem with engine performance. 1. Engine management light or check engine light. The check engine light is usually an orange or yellow symbol resembling an engine. It can indicate a variety of issues, ranging from minor to severe. Common reasons for the light include emission system problems, a faulty oxygen sensor, or even a loose fuel cap. When this light appears, first check your fuel cap and ensure it's properly tightened. If the light persists, visit a mechanic for further inspection. 2. Engine oil warning light. The engine oil warning light is typically red and displays an oil symbol. This light can be triggered by low oil pressure, an oil leak, or a faulty oil pressure sensor. When this light comes on, check your vehicle's oil levels and top up if necessary. If the issue persists or you suspect an oil leak, consult a mechanic. 3. Engine temperature warning light. This warning light is usually red or blue, with a symbol of a thermometer in liquid. It alerts you when the engine is overheating, which could be caused by a coolant leak or a malfunctioning thermostat. If this light appears, pull over safely and allow the engine to cool down. Check the coolant levels and refill if necessary. If the problem persists, seek professional assistance. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more. If you find this video useful, please like and share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond.